November 17th, 2020, Fluency. A florist, which is a flower person, has 3,080 flowers. If she makes a bouquet with 7 flowers, how many bouquets can she make? So a bouquet is like a group of flowers. Like what the bride walks down an aisle at their wedding to. That's called a bouquet of flowers. So a group of flowers. So if she makes bouquets with 7 flowers in each of them, but she has 3,080 flowers, how can we figure out how many bouquets she can make? So we can actually divide here. So I'm going to put our little division bar here. All right, so 3,080 is going to go on our inside as our dividend. So 3080. All right, so we have 3,080. I'm gonna make this a little bit longer. There we go. And our divisor is going to be 7. So our divisor is going to be 7. I'm actually going to make this a little taller too. There we go. Oh, much better. All right, can 7 go into 3? Nope. Can 7 go into 30? Yes, it can. How many times can 7 go into 30? I know 7 times 5 is 35, so that's too much. So we need to figure out how many times it can go into 30 without going over 30. So 7 times 4 is 28, so that will work. So 7 times 4, I'm going to put that 4 over that 0. That 4 is going to go over that 0. 7 times 4 is 28. All right, now we are going to subtract these. All right, so 0 minus 8 you can't do, so that 3 becomes a 2. I'm going to put that over there. Whoop. Order, bring to front. That becomes a 2, and that 0 becomes a 10. Let's order this to the front. There we go. 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. What are we going to do with that 8? Bring it down. So, we're going to bring that 8 down. Now we have 28. How many times can 7 go into 28? Well, 7 can go into 28. Oh, look, 4 times. So I'm going to put this 4 up here on top of that 8. 7 times 4 is 28. So I'm going to write 28. And now I'm going to subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So that's just 0. What do I do with that 0? Bring it down because we didn't use it yet. So we still do need to bring it down. Because we didn't use it yet. So can 7 go into 0? It can go into 0 times, so it can't go into 0. So I am going to put that placeholder of 0 up there on top of the 0. 7 times 0 is 0. And then 0 minus 0 is also 0. So I am going to subtract that and get no remainder. There's nothing else, nothing else to bring down. So that is our final answer. Our final answer is 440. So our answer is 440 bouquets that she can make. B-O-U-Q-U-E-T-S. I know it's one of those funny words that's spelled weird. But she can make 440 bouquets. And that's it for our answer. Great job!